Kolkata, where we are getting some visuals that are coming in and breaking news coming in, and we're getting and going across to those visuals coming in right now of protest that is being held in Kolkata. This is the protest in Kolkata. We're getting those live visuals right now as they are coming in, viewers. This is the teachers' protest, the SSC teachers' protest in Kolkata that we are seeing. Remember earlier, the SSC teachers in Kolkata had got a setback from the top court of the country after the Supreme Court had put out certain upholding the cancellation of 26,000 teachers and of nearly teaching and non-teaching staff appointments in West Bengal state-run and state-aided schools. Now the SSC protests are happening in Kolkata against the recruitment scam, the SSC recruitment scam that are taking place after the Supreme Court had sacked 24,000 school staffers. West Bengal had also opened up the job window, and the West Bengal Chief Minister had also rolled out on Tuesday the roadmap for filling up the 24,000 school positions left empty. But these are protests against the SSC recruitment scam. This is teachers carrying on the protests over the SSC recruitment. The process and the recruitment will end with counselling, it had been stated. But the big news coming in Kolkata, we are seeing teachers are protesting and carrying out protests over the SSC recruitment. We're also going to stay with those visuals as we're going to get you more details on that story, where the Mamata Banerjee government had promised these teachers they would get jobs, but the SSC teachers in Kolkata now on protest. Viewers, I'm also going to tell you this is a rally of jobless teachers that are taking place in front of the Bikash Bhavan. Also remember, there was a scuffle with the police and the police has dragged and removed the protesters from this scene. They are protesting outside Bikash Bhavan again, demanding justice. This is what they are saying. The protesting teachers have also been detained. If we can get you those, yes, those visuals are clear. They are now being detained by the Kolkata police. And this news coming in as large number of people are currently also getting gherawed at the SSC Bhavan. They are demanding their jobs. The SSC protest in Kolkata against the SSC recruitment scam. This was also earlier seen as a setback for the Mamata Banerjee government when the Calcutta High Court had first cancelled the recruitment of all the 25,000 teachers appointed at the 2016 SSC after finding out massive corruption took place. I want to go across to my colleague Kishle joining us from Kolkata. Kishle, give us more details.
Well, exactly. Today we saw there was a huge protest. All those teachers who lost their jobs, they were protesting against the state government, and they had a plan today to march towards Nabarno, the state secretariat. Now, there was a huge but in fact, the way the protest began, there was a huge police deployment in all those areas, especially near Shialda, where the protest was supposed to begin. And it also began, and when it went ahead, and then it was stopped by the police, and the police did not let the protesters to march ahead, and they were taken in the prison vans. And we saw that the protest was quelled by the police. Now, the protesters are saying, the teachers who lost their jobs, they're saying that they lost their jobs at one hand. On the other hand, their democratic rights are also being snatched away by the TMC government, who are not letting them protest and raise their voice as well. We saw there has been several protest movements across several locations of Kolkata today, including Shialda, including places near Nabarno and the way throughout. But the whole protest march that was planned, the whole contingent of the teachers who lost their jobs will be protesting towards Nabarno and sitting in front of Nabarno in order to raise slogans and ask for their rights back and jobs back. That was not allowed by the police, and the protesters were in fact forced inside the prison vans and taken away. So huge protests continuing. Still now, teachers are sitting at several locations, including Bikash Bhavan and areas across Kolkata and Dharmotala and Salt Lake. But the state government is clearly not doing enough in order to give back their jobs.
All right, thank you for giving us those details, Kishle. We stay with those visuals where several protesters have been detained. now by the police that is coming in those visuals. And Kishle, these protests against the SSC recruitment scam. But remember, even as the government in West Bengal, Kishle, tries to say that we'll help these teachers, this was a massive corruption that had unfolded, and the West Bengal government is also responsible and has to give out answers for the corruption scam, the SSC recruitment scam that had taken place.
And also we are getting visuals from the Central Park metro station. This is in Salt Lake area. So at one hand, we saw how the protesters were detained a while back from near Shialda station. On the other hand, we are getting visuals from Central Park metro station, which is again near Salt Lake area. I already told you how several locations were in fact chosen by the protesters in order to demonstrate against the fact that their jobs were being lost at one hand because of the large-scale corruption of the state government and the ministers who were at that time in charge, including Partho Chatterjee. On the other hand, yesterday, Mamata Banerjee, in fact 2 days back, she declared that the teachers, all those who lost their jobs, need to reappear for exams. The teachers who lost their jobs are saying, we are not going to reappear for exams because we already gave exams, we passed those exams, and now we got our jobs. Now we need to get those jobs back. We cannot start from zero, from the scratch. So this is the main demand. The teachers are right now protesting across Kolkata.
Thank you, Kishle, for giving us those details. The top focus will